Welcome back, students. The next topic we are moving to housekeeping practices. Effective housekeeping can help control or eliminate workplace hazards. Poor housekeeping practices frequently contribute to incidents. If the sight of paper, clutter, and spills is accepted as normal, then other more serious hazards may be taken for granted. Housekeeping is not just as cleanliness, it includes keeping work areas neat and orderly, maintaining halls and floors free of slip and drip hazards, and removing of waste materials. So, it also requires paying attention to most important details such as layout of the workplace and adequacy of storage facilities and maintenance of good housekeeping is also a basic part of incident and fire prevention. So, what is the purpose of workplace housekeeping? Poor workplace housekeeping can be a cause of incidents such as tripping over loose objects on floors, stairs, and platforms, being hit by falling objects, slipping on greasy or wet or dirty surfaces, cutting, punctuating, or tearing skin on hands or other parts of the body, on projecting nails, wire, on steel strapping. To avoid these hazards, a workplace must maintain order throughout a workday. Although this effort requires a great deal of management and planning, the benefits are many. So, effective housekeeping result in reduced handling to ease the flow of materials, fewer tripping and slipping incidents, decreased fire hazards, lower worker exposure to hazard product, better control of tools and materials including inventory and supplies, more efficient equipment cleanup and maintenance, better hygienic conditions leading to improved health, more effective use of space, reduced property damage, and less tools and equipment repaired, and improved. It will improve morale and productivity also. So we are going to see about Japanese 5S housekeeping practices. So a good housekeeping program plans and manages the orderly storage and movement of materials from one point to another point. It includes material flow plan to ensure minimal handling. The plan also makes sure that workplace area are not used to storage area by having workers move materials to and from work areas such as needed. Part of the plan could include investing in extra bins and more frequent disposal. So 5S good housekeeping involves the principle of waste elimination through workplace organization. 5S was derived from the Japanese word seiri, seiten, seiso, seiketsu, sitchuk. In English, they can be roughly translated as sort, set in order, clean, standardize, and sustain. The cornerstone of 5S is that untidy, cluttered work areas are not productive, as well as the physical implications of junk getting in everybody's way and dirt compromising quality, and the employees will not be happier in a clean. Sometimes the employee and employer will not be happy in a workplace like uncleaned, so they want to be clean, tidy environment, and hence more inclined to work hard with due care and attention. Fires and good housekeeping are core elements of lean thinking and a visual workplace, and are fundamental platform for world-class manufacturing. FIS provides the foundation for all quality improvement programs. It is a process to create more productive people and more productive companies through motivation, education, and practice. It involves the creation of a strong corporate culture with productivity mindset. Okay, so first Seiri, Seitan, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsu. So we are going to see about Seiri. What do you mean by Seiri? Seiri, sort, means eliminating anything that is unnecessary for the equipment to work properly. So first we have to sort out. So sort out means removing the unnecessary things and unnecessary equipment in workplace, which creates untidy work environment. Factory system has practical experience and regular assignments in the field to enable employee to embed the new techniques introduced by 5S in new working practices. The use of 5S, especially designed for operators and supervisors, will guarantee that the employer workers have daily monitoring of the methodology and enable worker to see any supervisors or employer to see any abnormalities and progress made. So sort out help them to have better idea what is to be done on the particular day. So next we are moving to Satan. Satan is straightening is the best way of eliminating pointless searching and having all the materials necessary for the functional production according to the principle, a place for everything and everything in its place. So for example, if any welder needs any kind of equipment, tools and other thing, if he has to walk some kind of 2 kilometers to get his tools and equipments, it is utter waste of time, and it should be in a proper place where he can take within a minute or within a second. So the company or factory should have a place for everything and they should keep everything in its place. Next, say so. Say so means shining. It means keeping everything so clean that it shines. In a clean environment, any leak or other abnormality can be detected faster. So everything should be, uh, it should be in a neat and clean way. It should shines. It should shine. Okay. Working in a clean environment improves motivation and safety. This is a prerequisite for quality maintenance. So next, Seiketsu. Seiketsu means standardization. It means respecting the previous three S. Three S are actions to take so that the cleanliness and elimination of the causes of untidiness become the norm. It is essential to write them down as ordinary user standards. Seiketsu helps to overcome the natural tendency to solviness and return to old habits. And next, the final one is Shitsuk. Shitsuk is sustained. After a period of 3 to 6 months, depending on the size and the complexity of the workplace, the time has come to evaluate the situation by means of an in-depth audit. The audit is based on a very precise questionnaire which assesses the previous 4S and which leads, if successful, to the site being certified. So, it is very important to follow the Japanese 5S model. For optimal monitoring of 5S, auditing is a critical phase that occurs early in the process throughout the implementation. Factory system has developed simple and user-friendly, specially designed to closely monitor the implementation of 5S approach in company. It will serve as an objective measurement tool from the initial situation to 5S certification. Based on real life examples, it will be valuable tool in continuous improvement process. So main feature is registration of basic information, name of the company, area to be auditor contracts, etc. should be registered in that particular application is necessary. Parameter of getting the area to be audited, the 5S software will guide in order to define the various parameters relating to zone to be studied, factory or laboratory or stone type of manufacturing or storage or other nature of the products, surface of the zone, etc. Performing of the findings. A finding is a field observation that is not in line with the prescription of the 5S method, the later being included in list findings available in 5S software. So display of the intermediate results audit, of course final results will be it will be shown in the notice board. So the software is there. So these are the thing they have to do when they upload the software in the company. It will give clear guidelines on when to clean the surface area of the workplace and where the equipments has to be they are in the place, and what time basis it has to be mopping and cleaning, and the other thing, so how it should be standardized, how it should be sustained for so many years, will be clearly mentioned in that particular software. So this is about housekeeping practices. You may get question like write or enumerate 5 Japanese housekeeping practices. So you have to write seiri, seiten, seiso, seiketsu, sitchuk. Seiri means kind of sort out. Seiten means straightening. Seiso means shining. Seiketsu standardization. Shitshuk sustain. So these are about housekeeping practices. So any doubt we can have it on the live session. So thank you for the patient listening. So please listen fully and take note of it which you don't, I mean which you have any kind of doubts. Okay. So thank you so much.